Okay. So I've just been informed I have to go pick up my mother and her boyfriend from the south-ish side. It's gonna be interesting. So let's try this. Try to bet my grandmother says something about me.
Don't tell her.
There's my dog.
Ricky. Come here. Ricky.
I have my niece. My dog playing. And my nephew, Robert, what's up? What's up, yo? It's bright outside.
Ricky, come here.
Hang on. What?
Ricky, jump down.
No. I'm not ducking.
Ricky!
No.
No, what? Look.
The garage. The mess of glass that my dog plays in. Usually that. I can't see inside of the garage. It's too dark. There's a goof. Oh.
It's a nice day out, Ricky. It's not too cold. Ricky. Can I go along with Go! Here he comes.
It's alright. These are my babies. I don't know if you can tell what it is, but that one is Bilbo Baggins. He's got the toothpick next to him. Yeah.
Ricky!
What's up, dude? Oh!
Ricky, go try to get Bubby.
Oh!
Ricky, go get Bubby.
Oh!
Ricky, go get Bubby. He's right over there. Ricky, want me to tell you where Bubby's hiding?
No. Oh!
What?
I seen that.
See what?
He thought he was slick.
What'd he do?
He popped his head around the side of the corner.
What's he up, look at you?
Here's my Jeep. It's got a whole bunch of junk in it. Ta-da! Got him. There's the Obi. My nephew, my niece.
Let me see the camera.
Ah!
Let me see the camera.
No!
You did? Where was? I thought you were coming out and playing with us.
Just kind of cream it up a little bit.
Ricky.
I want you to come in here, you and Ricky. I want you and Ricky to come in here. I want you to jump in the front way.
Forgot to zoom out. Sorry. Alright, so let's see how that works.
Ricky.